This is what they call the Second Plumber. It's safe on the septic systems here. And actually there's a video you can watch how it works. So this is a two-way universal adapter for toilet and shower included. So let's take it apart here. And there's basically 3 parts that comes with it here. And instructions on the back. Now, if you're going to use it, bought this at Home Hardware, and it is made in Canada. This label first here shows you different things here. Now, if you're going to use it on the toilet, you take this cap off here. So this is what you'd use for a sink, and you put it down in your sink, and you just press it down once, and there's compression in here, and that'll give you a shot of air. Make sure you got water inside here, or at least up to here. Make sure you got water inside this blue cap. Now, if you have a sink with a stopper in it, this cap is removable, so you can put it over. You know those little pop-up things that I'll put over top of that. You can use the same thing over top of that cap and just push down. Make sure you got water over top of this. So if you're going to use this for your toilet, the yellow cap is removed, and you put it in this adapter here. The blue cap just slides into that adapter, and this is going towards your toilet here. And then you put the plunger on top of this, slides over top of the cylinder here, just slides over. You put it in your toilet. You make sure this is covered in water. This blue ring here is covered in water, and just give it one quick push, and it'll work very well. So just press down quickly on the plunger, and it activates the cartridge there and gives you the pressure going through the toilet there. Let's do this again. Just press down once quickly there, just one press. That's all you need. And you get lots of pressure going through there. So this is the Second Plumber. It's good for sinks, bathtubs, toilets, showers, boats, and RVs. So when you buy the basic unit here, you get all this stuff in it. Then once you use your 12 uses up, then you can buy the actual cylinder again. And then that goes into your sink or your shower. Just press down on that. Comes with the adapter here for your toilet here, and the little plunger makes it easier to do your toilet. So please subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you anything. It really helps my channel. And ring that bell to be notified next time I upload a video. I'd like to thank all my subscribers. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Have a great one, people.